Sometimes figuring out where to start managing stress can be daunting and feel very overwhelming. Every day, the amount of information that we process is accelerating. The number of changes is exponential. Our specialty is restoring stressed and burned out people to vibrancy and equipping them with the skills to prevent burnout relapse. Poor stress management skills result in cyclical patterns of behavior. Those behaviors are damaging sometimes to self, to relationships, and can be very damaging in the workplace. Once we determine how stress is showing up in your life, we can create a pathway for you to train, coach, and develop great habits. Our coaching programs help you to take what's learned in classrooms or workshops and apply them to your everyday life. We'll help you see stress as information and use the tools in your toolbox to make shifts and changes throughout your day. So if stress is overwhelming you and your life, you can get started today at lessstressinlife.com.